Hello everybody. Today I want to share some information about the pulling cords of snow blower or any kind of small engines. One of my friend he brought me a snow blower and its pulling cord was broken. I wanted to replace it and I bought one roll of rope from the home hardware. Now I want to show you something that I had some problems about the rope. Even it's thicker than the previous one. After a few attempts to start the engine, it broke again. Now I discovered something. In the middle of the rope there should be some fibers, but it's so funny that in the middle of this rope there's like a toilet paper or maybe we can say like a paper kind of thing that is used for like wet towel. Now I want to show you. Just wait a few seconds, because I will turn the camera to the other side. Just a second, please. Now maybe I can put the phone here. Maybe this one is the previous one. You see this black, and inside there's a strong thread inside it. Almost same thickness. Now this is the rope I bought. My knife here. Yes. If you open the wrapping around the rope, around the main part, in the middle part, you see this white thing? It looks like it's fiber threaded, or now if I open this like this, you see it's paper, like a wet wipe. Yeah, so I'm working on this machine for one day. I cleaned the carburetor, I replaced the cord, I replaced the engine starter. Its gear was also broken. It was about to start, but after pulling a few times it broke again. And also it broke the spring mechanism inside this. I don't know what to do now. Okay, just be careful when you are buying this rope from Home Hardware. Follow me. Thank you.